Hello YouTube, this is a video tutorial on how to make video wallpapers or video ringtones as set on your iPhone or iPod Touch. This works for all generations such as iPhone 2G, iPhone 1G, iPhone 3G, iPhone 3GS, and iPhone 4. Okay, first you will need to have a brain. Second, you will need a jailbroken iPhone or iPod Touch or any iOS device. Okay, first go to Cydia. Mine takes a long time, so I'm going to edit this and get back with you guys in a second. Okay, YouTube, I am back. First, you will need to go to Manage, go to Sources, Edit, Add, type in IDANSTAC/DEB/. Add anyway. Okay, then go to when it installs on your iPhone or iPod Touch. Go to it. Usually it will install most of these when you go to V Wallpaper for iOS 4. Even though I'm not on iOS 4, I can still do this. So don't worry if you're on iPhone 2G, because I also am on iPhone 2G. So, yeah. Go to Install, then Confirm, and then when that gets done, meet me back at the home screen. Okay, now, here's what you're going to do. You look at this application on your screen. It looks like this right here. The third row, the fourth one to the right. It looks like a clip. Click on it. It's called V Wallpaper. Click either one you want. Video wallpaper. Go to download more videos. The best one is Screw. No, never mind. The best one is iGeekstas. Whatever it is. They have pretty good ones. Some of them are music video. Like I said, Screw I think is the music video. Anyone you want, you can get. Okay, now here's where it gets better. If you have iFile, you can edit it and make it so your video ringtones can also be your video wallpapers. Okay, here's the best ones. Screw is the best for video ringtones, no lie. They have Kid Rock, Korn, Tupac, Linkin Park, T-Pain, Mariah Carey, One Republic, Taylor Swift. They have like everything. I'm going to see what this Tupac one is. It'll take a couple seconds to download. It doesn't take that long. By the way, you want to watch this in HD. Should have said that at the beginning, but okay. Now go to repository, manage, go to select global video, go to the one you just downloaded. Now you can view it. Click yes, I want it if you do, and no thanks if you don't. I'm gonna test this 50-cent one because it could work. I'm not sure. I don't want it. Okay. Now, if you do want it, hit yes, I do want it. Now, I know this one works right here. I made this by myself off the computer. Here it is. This is Lil Wayne, 6 foot, 7 foot. You can make this as your wallpaper. Okay, I'm gonna say no thanks. Okay, go to manage, and then when you're done, go to enable video ringtone, and it will change. And then when you come back to the screen, just hit the home button, and then you'll see like a little timer spin right around the middle between my ESPN app and my Ringtones app, the bell. Okay, so here's the good part about having iFile. If you have iFile, that's good. And if you have MXTube, that's also good. So go to MXTube, download any video you want. These are all for YouTube. See, I got most of these. Okay, now go to, once you download it, go to iFile. Okay, first you go to var, go to mobile, media, MXTube, and then there are all your videos, well, whatever ones you pick. I will edit, make a movie, then you click the button on the bottom right corner, copy/link, and then click done. Go back to media, go to screw, scroll down, go to screw, and then pick either video wallpapers or video ringtones, which you want this in. I'm gonna put it in video background, and then hit edit, the same button, and then hit paste. Okay, now hit done. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to view wallpaper. Okay, wallpaper. Download more videos. Screw. Repository. Manage. Select video to play. Sorry, I had to pause that. Go to ringtones. like your movie that you downloaded. If you want it, you want it. Some of them don't work. Like this one will work eventually if you reboot your phone. Well, that is it, YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is Not Big TM. Bye.